Hi guys, welcome back to my channel designed by Koyel, and today I'll show you how to make this cute little paper quilled owl. But first, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if you like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and families. Let's start quilling. First I'm quilling two 5mm white strips and making a teardrop shape, and we need 44 pieces of them. Now I'm quilling two 5mm yellow strips and we need 13 pieces of them. Now I'm quilling two 5mm black strips and we need 36 pieces of them. And now I'm quilling one white, one yellow glued together and we need 10 pieces of them. Now I'm quilling one yellow, one black glued together and we need 6 pieces of them. Now for the eye, I'm quilling 3 black strips and making a round shape and we need 2 pieces of them. And for the beak, I have used 5 pink strips